Honorable Member of Parliament, our Minister from before also, he has handled the Civil Aviation Minister before, our Mahesh Sharma ji, और यहाँ के विधायक भी है हमारे धीरेन्द्र सिंह जी, and the team at Noida International Airport, Christoph ji, and Tata Projects, and the Ministry of Civil Aviation, and members from the state government, everyone has worked together as a team to see that today becomes a reality. And we, from the ministry, I can tell this point that Jewar International Airport is the most prestigious project in the whole country, especially because of the idea with which it came, as it catering for the Delhi NCR territory and also for the Western Uttar Pradesh. In the future also going to be a wonderful airport where not only India is going to be proud of this, but the whole world is going to be proud of the airport that is today. And which is why I need to specially thank the farmers who have made this airport a reality, and all the workers who have worked day and night to ensure that the timeline is also met. And now with the validation flight happening today, we are committed to finish the project before the end of April, and I am once again suggesting the date to the NIA team also, so that they can complete it as early as possible. Today marks a very important occasion in the progress of the airport, and definitely whatever support is required from the Ministry of Civil Aviation, we will continuously provide so that the early operations from the airport also begin. And one thing I have to highlight about this project is that 50 million man-hours have been put into making this project till now, and not a single incident has happened. I don't think any other project across the country of such scale can boast of that record. So I once again congratulate the whole team who has made this possible, so that no incident has happened and everything progressed. It almost feels like we have the wishes of the God also that this happens very, very smoothly. And also especially our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, because of whom we are seeing exceptional success happening in the civil aviation industry. Last 10 years, we have seen almost all the airports in the country, the number to be doubled. What used to be 74 in 2014, today is 158 in 2024. And we are seeing more airports also coming in. And I am also very happy to share the fact that Uttar Pradesh has the highest number of operational airports. Today we have 16 airports, and by April, once we inaugurate this airport, it is going to be 17. That is the highest number of airports in any state. And this has become a reality because of the cooperation of the double-engine Sarkar. Both the central government and the state government, especially the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath ji, they all understand what an airport can bring, what kind of economic activity and the growth success that it can bring to that whole region. At one point of time, you would have imagined that Jewar used to be a very backward area. But today, with the inauguration of this project, you will see that Jewar is going to be the center of all economic activity in the Western Uttar Pradesh. That is the kind of potential one airport has in the country today. And we are going to ensure that the whole potential of this airport is fully utilized, not just in commercial operations of moving people from one place to another, but we also have the strategic location to cater for cargo travel also. So a lot of cargo can also be moved from this area, a lot of job creation can happen, a lot of hotels are going to come here, a lot of people can have multiple alliance industries for the aero sector. So this is going to be a very important center for job creation in the future. So we from our side are extending complete support, and today with the launch of this first validation flight, we can ensure that everything is moving smoothly. It's a successful flight that we are seeing today. And once again, I would like to congratulate all the team members who have made this a possibility. And I personally am very, very happy to be participating in this event, because as a minister, wherever I am traveling and on the floor of the house also, many people have asked me, when is the Jewar airport going to start? So today marks a very important landmark event for all of us, and in the near future also, with the cooperation between the state and central government and the team that is placed here, we are going to start the operations very, very soon. And special thanks to the team with Indigo also, who have made this a possibility. They have sent the flight today for the validation, and in the future also they want to start many operations from this Jewar International Airport. So everyone is very excited about this airport. They all want to come together and work as a team, and they all want to cooperate for the success of this airport. So it is a great event and a very positive energy that I can see, and I would like to congratulate all the workers who have put in their sweat to make this a reality. So once again, special thanks to all of them, and my sincere best wishes to the team members at Noida International Airport. Thank you very much.